Hello students, today we will learn how to find out volume of a cylinder. So first let us see, we have done last time circumference of a circle which is nothing but 2 pi r. So the example, as you can see, only the circular part comes under circumference. So the total length of that round part what is there will give you circumference of a circle, and that is nothing but 2 pi r. Now you can see one more example of the same type. As I had shown you before, this shows the curve part, but we are taking circle bangles one above the other, which makes the circumference of each circle we take. So next part we are doing it area of circle. So you know area of circle is indicated by red circle. The inner color, red color which is there, that space occupied of the circle is known as area, and the formula for finding out the area of a circle is nothing but pi r square. So the same way, if from the above diagram, if you see, for circumference we have only taken the outer end. Now for area we will take the inner end. If you imagine here, you will find that the yellowish color part which is inside the circle is nothing but the area of a circle. Same way, when height is there, we get volume of a cylinder which is nothing but pi r square h. To clear the more concept, let us see the video. Here we have empty glass which is in a shape of cylinder. When I put liquid, the space, inner space is occupied by the liquid, and as it pours in, you will find that it covers the volume of a cylinder. So the cylindrical glass is full of the liquid which is occupied in the place of volume. So let us see the example of how to find out volume of a cylinder. When the radius of the cylinder is given to you 3.5 centimeter and height is 7 centimeter, find its volume. As you know, the radius of a cylinder is 3.5 centimeter, height of the cylinder is given 7 centimeter. The volume of cylinder we have to find out. We know the formula that volume of a cylinder is nothing but pi r square h. As you know, pi r square is also a formula to calculate area of circle, and that is why area of circle is related with volume of cylinder. When we do substitution, we get 22 upon 7 multiplied by 3.5 multiplied by 3.5 into 7. Why I multiplied 3.5 two times? Because r square is nothing but 3.5 into 3.5. Let us do this further simplification. 7 cancelled with one time, and other 7 in the numerator get cancelled with one time. So we have volume of cylinder equals to 22 into 3.5 into 3.5. When we multiply all the three digits, we get volume of cylinder equals to 269.5 cubic centimeter. The unit of volume is nothing but cubic centimeter. Let us see another example. Here this time they have given radius of a cylinder as 4.2 centimeter and height is 5 centimeter. Again they want you to find out volume. So as you know, the radius, volume, cylinder, all we have written data on top. Now formula, volume of cylinder equals to pi r square h. Substitution, so volume of cylinder equals to 22 upon 7 into 4.2 into 4.2 into 5. Cancellation we will take place, 7 one time and then 7 0.6 time. If you want, you can do by other method also. You can write down 4.2 as 42 upon 10 and then do it. It's all up to you. So when we simplify further, we get 22 multiplied by 0.6 into 4.2 into 5. The volume will become 277.2 cubic centimeter. I hope by this you can calculate the volume of cylinder when radius and height of the cylinder is given to you. See you.